Is the chicken a dinosaur?
Look at these dinosaurs! They have long horns and a bone shield around their necks.
Wow, amazing! I think I saw one dinosaur.
Really? Where?
In the woods nearby.
Whoa! Look! Here it shows which footprints the dinosaurs have. Let's go and search, my friend.
Yeah!
Look! There are many different footprints on the path.
We need to figure out which ones belong to the dinosaur.
Help the friends find footprints. Tap on all the footprints. Well done! You found all the prints. Now let's find out what tracks look like a dinosaur footprint. Choose similar tracks to the ones shown in the picture. Great! These footprints really do look like the footprints of a dinosaur.
This is where the dinosaur footprints lead.
Great! We will find it very soon.
These tracks lead us to the thicket. I wonder what is behind it. Tap on the leaves to move them aside. I wonder, where is the dinosaur?
Hello, Mrs. Chicken.
Hi, guys. Could you please tell us where the dinosaur went? Did he swim down the river?
What? The only dinosaur I've seen here right now is me.
What a dinosaur you are.
Not funny. In fact, I am a true descendant of dinosaurs. My great.
Wait, is it true?
Well, of course. Once upon a time, so long ago, dinosaurs lived. They were big and strong, and now their different ancestors live on the planet. I descended from the Tyrannosaurus itself. Crocodiles from Archosaurs, and turtles lived even before the dinosaurs and have survived to these days.
Let's make a pair of ancient and modern animals. Move the animals to the correct spots. Great! The chicken is a descendant of a Tyrannosaurus. And here's another pair of animals. Move the animals to the correct spots. Great job! The crocodile is descended from the Archosaur. Let's find the last pair of animals. Move the animals to the correct spots. Wow! Ancient and modern turtles are very similar, don't you think?
Thanks, Mrs. Chicken. It was very interesting.
And we even found a dinosaur.